Kani gade kapati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Banya weri kari India hi borak kawai, banwan raya ke jingko jing subah hakari, haka artarik ubnai risau jong Snem marzakat sau, ke sorkar pedeng National Democratic Party, ke basensa da keseng BJP, hapo ke jengelam jong Narendra Modi ke menteri rang badu kari, kelas dangru ke Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, katong man penko ke saudang saukon jong borak kawai kari India ke balaya mental lasau Snem Kynthih. Henne ke sengiru ke artarik ubnai risau rajakat pra, sibenta ya ke jingrakhe ya ke sikha jong Mahatma Gandhi. Hakani ke jela jungiru la sakhi yakani ke jerakhe da ke sarkar jela hakaleng ke jela kenthop ru hakani ke nomba Shillong. Kawai ni ke jerakhe hi yakani ke sngi kadai da ke jingpun kho yaki shnong ki thau bat ki yo ki han kadai ha ka jaka penyang kali jong ke Meghalaya Urban Development Authority kabaran persya ke Anjali Cinema Hall Shillong. Yakani ke jingpun kho pat la pelong da ke jing trelang hapdeng ke Shillong Municipal Board ke Shillong Cantonment Board bat ketnat Meghalaya Home Guards and Civil Defence kumshi benta banrakhe ke jingdap Snem ke Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Hakani ke jingpun khoi laidon langru menteri sarkar jela ubakmi ya ketnat ki kampun roisor uba hamlet sendoling u secretary jongka muda uba I Kharmalki u chief executive officer jongka Shillong Municipal Board uba B Solia bat ki wedi ki officer na ke Shillong Cantonment Board bat na ke Meghalaya Home Guards and Civil Defence.
Mahatma Gandhi ulathrang manyo ya kari India om tang kabalaj loy henrei kabakhoy bat kabaroy Mahatma Gandhi ulapen urlong ya kajing laj loy jong kamay India menta kadai ka kamram kajongi ban syakri ya kamay India da ka ba penlong ya ka ba khoi ba suba ngashim ya kani ka kular bangan ne ha ka jing sakri saka thong jo ka jing khoi bat ka jing penlut por na benta kani ngan IT sispa kanta kapor jonga haka Snem kata arkenta haka sitayo bentray mon skova nakabenta ka jingkhoy ngan ombret pathar yakinyut ne jabo jabay bat ngan ailan ru yakiwei banle umta.
You're looking at parking people, then we should tell them.
Hadian kini kejipun ko jaga jaga penyang kali jong kemuda keberan persya bat ke Anjali Cinema Hall. Hakano pas ngi pat lapan buat pat sa keje sam kusnam. Hakeje lang kebelalong hapot hem yo molong. Hakani keje lang ru ukongsan ulalong hi menteri jong katnat urban affairs uba Hamlet sendoling ubala sam kusnam jikinong job hakeje ko per kibala pelong haswa jong kini kesngi. Kontop ru yiki kusnam syakinong tre jong ki tnat sorkar. Kibala 3 minit jaga kam ban Kynthih jaga khoj ke suba kat kum kathong jong ke Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
Today, as we observe this occasion, the back anniversary of the Father of the Nation is also to commemorate the launch of the Swachh Bharat movement in 2014 and to call upon all citizens to make a cleanliness a movement. I like that they use the word a movement. Swachh is being put forward as a cleanliness and wellness drive aimed at encouraging participants in Swachh Bharat mission. This campaign will be observed across the length and breadth of the nation, with people from across India participating in multiple cleanliness drives. Prime Minister Modi has called Swachh a great way to pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi, further adding that those who are working for the cleanliness campaign will be remembered like their freedom fighters. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan mission was one of the first initiatives to be launched by the Modi government when it came to foreign to 40. It is a nationwide campaign with the aim to clean up India's street, road and general infrastructure. The Swachh campaign was introduced as part of the Swachh Bharat, both to commemorate its anniversary and also to encourage more people to participate in the movement. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and consequently Swachh are both key movement by the government of India to succeed in its Clean India Ïaid. With the Prime Minister along with several others well-known names taking it to the street with brooms, the campaign has managed to gain the fancy of plenty of our countrymen. For this year, Swachh, the Shillong Municipal Board has taken up daily cleaning drive and awareness program through door-to-door campaign for commercial establishment by the intent in various parts of the city. Likewise, the Shillong Cantonment Board has undertaken awareness campaign through the various media, cleanliness drive in public work, marketplace, and organized rallies with school children, conducted painting, drawing, and slogan competition. Door-to-door campaign among the host of the activities. The closing function will include distribution of award for various competitions conducted by the Shillong Cantonment Board. Once again, I appreciate the initiative of the Shillong Municipal Board to give a due recognition to all those persons who have tirelessly worked to make all the staff to take their responsibility to fulfill their duty so that they can clean up the street every now and then. I appreciate they will be going to award this staff. And for your kind information, the SMB will be award those performance in the previous years. But we have come into 3 categories. Number 1, Crusaders for the untiring effort toward maintenance of cleanliness and management of waste in India's ASEAN zones and areas. Number 2, they are a champion for taking that extra effort to educate the people for segregation of source, monitoring habitat, littering, besides the maintenance of cleanliness in their respective areas and so. And third one, DB award as leaders for being innovative, for leading by example, and what should be done for journalists working toward eradication of open dumping and for being a call of duty at all time.
मैं बहुत ताकतवर हूँ। मैं मेरी सेना की मदद से और भी ताकतवर बन चुका हूँ। देखो, ये है मेरी ताकत। ये कचरा, हा 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 हा। ये और नाश, ये प्लास्टिक, ये अज्ञानता, ये बीमारी, इन सब की मदद से दुनिया मेरी मुट्ठी में है। अब मुझे दुनिया को तबाह करने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता। हा 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 हा।
मैं हूँ प्लास्टिक। मुझे जितने इस्तेमाल करेंगे मैं उतने फैलूंगा, फिर मैं उतने ही ताकतवर बन जाऊंगा। मैं प्रदूषण फैलाऊंगा। मैं हूँ वननाश। जितना पेड़ काटोगे मेरा ताकत और बढ़ जाएगा और मैं पूरी दुनिया को नाश कर दूंगा।
मैं हूँ अज्ञानता। मुझे कुछ ज्ञान नहीं, कोई कुछ भी करे मुझे कोई चिंता नहीं। मुझे जो अच्छा लगेगा मैं केवल वही करूँगा और मैं पूरे संसार को तबाह कर दूँगा।
मैं हूँ कचरा। मुझे आप लोग जितना ही फैलाएंगे मैं उतनी ही ताकतवर बन जाऊँगा और मैं इस पूरे दुनिया को प्रदूषित कर दूँगा। मैं इन सब को और भी ताकतवर बन चुका हूँ। पूरी दुनिया में फैल जाऊँ, पूरी दुनिया को तबाह कर दूँगा। मैं हूँ विद्यार्थी। मेरे पास शिक्षा और बुद्धि है। मैं अपनी शिक्षा की मदद से मैं देश में स्वच्छता फैलाऊंगी।
मैं टीचर हूँ। मैं बच्चों को पढ़ाती हूँ। मैं अपने स्कूल को बच्चों को पढ़ाने के साथ साथ साफ सफाई पर भी ध्यान देती हूँ।
मैं डॉक्टर हूँ। मैं बीमारियों का इलाज करती हूँ। हमें अपने आस पास साफ सफाई का भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए और बीमारियों को फैलने से रोकना चाहिए। अगर बीमारियों को जड़ से नाश करना है हमें हर जगह स्वच्छता फैलानी होगी।
मैं सफाई वाला हूँ। मैं सुबह से लेकर रात तक सफाई करता हूँ। मैं दुनिया से कचरे को हटा के हर जगह स्वच्छ रखूंगा।
मैं एक ऑफिस कर्मचारी हूँ। मैं आप सबसे ये कहने चाहता हूँ कि अपने देश के लिए स्वच्छता बनाई हम सबका कर्तव्य है।
नमस्कार, नमस्कार, नमस्कार। भाइयों और बहनों, मैं नरेंद्र मोदी। आइए हम सब मिलकर ये कसम ले कि स्वच्छता अभियान और इनकी मदद से गंदगी का नामो निशान मिटा देंगे और ये हम सब की जिम्मेदारी है।
goes to Bon Khatmore, Class 5. Class 6. A big round of applause for the 3 winners. Much Miss Deacon here for presenting the awards. PG, Class 5. Congratulations to the 3 winners in Group A. Moving on to Group B, we now call upon the 3 winners. The third prize goes to Suraj Kumar, Class 6. Suraj Kumar, Class 6, please come forward. And the second, congratulations to the winners in the slogan competition, Group A and Group B. Thank you. Atisha Kumari, Class 5. Congratulations to the 3 winners. Thank you so much. Blish Boniba, Astronaut, can somebody, Ayush Tamam, Class 4, 2 prizes, and the word. Congratulations to the winners in the English category of the education competition. Blish Boniba, thank you so much. Yes, Linda. Congratulations to the winners, the solid waste management leaders. Now we have another category, another special award. Congratulations, sir.